Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you the lymphatic drainage massage that I try to do whenever my face is really puffy and bloated from, just eating too much junk food and not getting enough exercise. So in a nutshell, lymphatic drainage is a massage that can be done anywhere on the body, and it's basically a treatment that uses gentle but firm strokes to encourage the flow of lymph in order to clear out any toxins and waste from your body. So I'm going to show you 7 neck and facial massages that help to clear out toxins, boost oxygen flow, de-bloat a puffy face, and basically just make your skin look nice and glowy. And my favorite part of this massage is that you will see a difference immediately. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and also click the little bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. First, we're going to work on our collarbone because we want to open up the drainage system here first so everything above can drain down our body. So here I'm just taking my fingertips and gently going side to side and pushing down on the pressure points just slightly above my collarbone. I do this 30 times. After my collarbone, we're going to move on to the neck, and I'm going to take my fists and gently, but also with a slight pressure, place my fists behind my ear and run it down my neck to the front of my collarbones. Again, I will do this 20 to 25 times. With every massage, you want to apply a bit of pressure, but also be gentle, because this isn't a deep tissue massage, and too much pressure can hurt you, so just be careful. So I usually do this in the shower, but you can also just do it sitting down on your bed or couch. Just make sure that you use a facial oil so you aren't pulling or tugging on your skin. Next is the jaw area. So for this massage, I make a peace sign, and I'm going to place my middle finger right in front of my earlobe and my index finger behind my ear. Then I'm going to gently push and slide my fingers down my jaw towards my chin 25 times. After that, I take my fists again, place them both on my chin, and push up until I reach my earlobes. This one feels really soothing and relaxing for me because sometimes I grind my teeth at night, so when I wake up, my jaw muscles can feel a bit sore. So for the next massage, I'm going to take my fists again and place them at the sides of my nose, then glide them down under my cheekbones and towards my ear. This one also feels really nice, and usually if my nose is stuffy, then this and the remaining massages always clears it up. And for our last massage, I'm taking my fists again, and I'm going to place them at the center of my forehead and just drag them across my forehead and my brows and down my temples 25 times. For some reason, this area feels the most tender to massage. I would have never guessed that my forehead would be this delicate, but I guess it is. But after that, I'm done. My facial muscles always feel so much more relaxed after I do this. But what I like the most is that I see the results right away. As soon as I'm done, my face it looks less puffy and bloated. And I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but trust. Just try it for yourself and I'm sure you'll see a difference. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you try this out for yourself, and yeah, I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye!